In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade Micro WTI Crude Oil futures on Tradingview step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Tradingview and go to the symbol search at the top of your screen. Type in MCL, which is the ticker for Micro WTI Crude Oil futures. Then choose the latest contract with the nearest expiry so you're trading the most active market. Once selected, the chart will load. Now head down to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen and open the order window to start setting up your trade. In the order panel, choose your order type. You can use market price if you want to enter instantly, or set a limit price if you prefer a specific entry. Then set your quantity, which is how many contracts you want to trade. If you're new, starting with one contract is a smart move. Before placing the trade, enable take profit and stop loss. This helps you manage risk by locking in gains and limiting losses automatically based on your levels. Now decide whether you want to buy or sell. Buy if you think prices will go up, or sell if you expect them to fall. Double check your details, then click send order to place your trade. That's it. Now you know how to trade Micro WTI Crude Oil futures on Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.